Big breaking news coming in. Maharashtra government is planning shutting off flights from Mumbai to Delhi. The train services also could be stopped between Delhi and Mumbai. The orders are going to be out and perhaps could be out soon. This is source-based information for now. No formal notification to this front coming in from the Maharashtra government. My colleague Pankaj Upadhyay is breaking the story, joining us for the very latest. Pankaj, at the moment, the Maharashtra government is planning to shut off flights between Delhi and Mumbai, including the train services. Of course, this is given the rise of the coronavirus cases in both the cities, but a formal notification is not out as yet. One quick question is, will there be a turnaround time, any kind of timeline given as to when this order could, one, come out, and B, from when it would be effective?
Chaiti, this decision is still in the planning stage. What our sources are saying at this point of time, that seeing the spike in the COVID-19 cases in the national capital, the government of Maharashtra has said that perhaps putting a stop to the flights between Mumbai and Delhi-Mumbai, and the train services at this point of time would be the best decision. The sources are also saying that they realize that the COVID numbers in Mumbai are not rising. The agency seems to have arrested the rising COVID numbers in Mumbai. The count of active cases is under 10,000. And at a point of time when there is so much of difference in the numbers between Mumbai and Delhi, while on one hand the national capital is seeing the surge in numbers, whereas the numbers are declining in Mumbai, the civic body and the state government feels that perhaps it would be a right decision to stop the flights between Mumbai and Delhi and also the train services. Now, when I asked my sources as to what is going to be the timeline of this restriction, I was told that there would be no timeline. The agency, the civic body and the government of Maharashtra will be keeping a close eye on the numbers in the national capital, and as long as the numbers keep on rising in Delhi, this restriction would remain. Additionally, I would like to tell the viewers that perhaps when this order is finalized, it could be implemented by Monday, because the belief with the government is that there would be many people who would have made advance booking as well. There would be many people who've gone out of the state in the wake of the festivals as well. So there should not be any, this should not be seen as a knee-jerk
So there's no
reaction.
need to panic. There is no need to panic from what Pankaj is saying, and the sources are indicating there is no need to panic. In case this order formally comes out, it will only be effective from Monday. That is the source-based information. I just want to put it out on record that this is not a formal notification. It's source-based information. We're breaking. Our Mumbai bureau getting the story first here on India Today.